Pandas, filter rows of DataFrame with operator chaining. Most operations in Pandas can be accomplished with operator chaining, group B, aggregate, apply, etc., but the only way I've found to filter rows is via normal bracket indexing. This is unappealing as it requires I assign df to a variable before being able to filter on its values. Is there something more like the following?
I'm not entirely sure what you want, and your last line of code does not help either, but anyway. Chained filtering is done by chaining the criteria in the Boolean index. If you want to chain methods, you can add your own mask method and use that one.
The answer from @Lodegro is great. I would extend it by generalizing the mask function as. Then you can do stuff like
filters can be chained using a Pandas query. Filters can also be combined in a single query.
Since version 0.18.1, the .loc method accepts a callable for selection. Together with Lambda functions, you can create very flexible chainable filters. If all you're doing is filtering, you can also omit the .loc.